Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about how we can set up network load balancer for your application. Okay guys, and what could be the difference? Just I will give you little bit highlight about this application load balancer and network load balancer. Defines in high level, if I say like a application load balancer will support only HTTP and HTTPS protocol, whereas network load balancer that could be support TCP, UDP or TLS, SSL kind of those kind of protocol. More or less, it is a kind of more secure. Like if you would like your certificate like SSL or TLS certificate, then you can utilize here. It's kind of central hub of your application for the certificate. Okay guys, and if you would like to use your static like IP address, then I would that application load balancer will not support. Then you have to use the network load balancer. Okay guys, I will give you more details in my next subsequent video, like which one should be the right choice for your application, and what could be the difference application load balancer and network load balancer in deep details. I will give you in my next subsequent video. Today's demo, let's talk about how we can set up the network load balancer. Okay guys, so how we can came here, like if you logged into your AWS console, right? So since I have already logged in here, then what we can do, we can go to the EC2, and once you go to the EC2, here we have that load balancer option in the left side. So once you click this load balancer option here, then here we can create our load balancer. Okay guys, and from there we can choose our network load balancer or application load balancer, which one you would like to create. And there one more is there, gateway load balancer, and classical load balancer also was there, which is the previous version of this. Okay guys, so before creating the load balancer, what I need two application basically here. First I need to deploy two application. One is the app server and the API server. So let's launch two application here, and let's select the free tiers here, and let's go to the next, and make sure if you are in free tiers, then select this T2 micro, otherwise it will be the chargeable for you. Let's select this one. I have already created the keypam, so select that. If you don't have, then you can click on create new keypam, it will create, and you can create a security group, or if you have already, then click on existing security group and select that. Okay guys, and go to the advanced section where I will deploy our application. Okay guys, so this is the user section. In this user section, I am going to just deploy one static web application, and by using that we will demonstrate today. Okay guys, so this is the message. This is now I am doing app server, so let's give the app server. Okay guys, and launch, and let's create one more here. It could be multiple also we can create. So for this today session, let's select two only, or maybe we can select three only. Okay guys, so let's select this one, T2 micro, and our one key pair, and let's select that security group once, the API. Okay guys, launch this instance, and then we can launch one more DB server. Okay guys, so let's, that name you can choose anything guys. So as per your need, you can select that what server basically you want to manage, right? That could be multiple app server, that could be multiple API server. Okay, so for this demo, just I am giving this kind of naming. So based on your real life server, you can give accordingly name. Okay guys, so let's select that, and key pair is required, so let's select the key pair here and launch instance. So my three instance is ready here, so it is now, it is in pending state, so just wait for a second. Meantime, we can set up the load balancer. Okay guys, so this is our load balancer, and let's click on create load balancer, and coming to here, and let's keep the name here, LB. Okay, and here we have two options, one is the internal and one is the internet facing. Okay, so for this session, let's select this internet facing, and we have another IP address selection like IPv4 or this dual stack, what you would like to select dual stack, like nothing but like IPv4 and IPv6 both will be support. So for this demo, let's select IPv4 only. Okay guys, and I have one default VPC. Let's select the default VPC. If you have any other VPC, then it will list down here, then you can select accordingly. And let's select that this one. This is like a subnet. Okay, and which availability zone you want. So I am just in this availability zone. This is the subnet I am selecting. Okay, let's select total 4 I selected, total 6 we have in this availability. I am in Virginia region. If you are in the different region, then this subnet could be the less or maybe okay guys. So based on your region it would be having this default subnet. Okay, so let's select this default security group also, or you can select our own security group also here. And this listening port here is the one we have to select. Create the target is nothing but this load balancer. What basically it is, like, it's a kind of entry point for your application, and from the entry point it will decide like which target has to be forward, right? The request has to forward which target, then target will decide which all service is available, which all apps like EC2 instance available to that particular target. Then target will decide, okay, send this application this here and there, so that request will be forward accordingly. Okay, so I don't have any target, so let's click on create target here. So here I creating target, we have different option: IP address, instance, and load lambda function, application load balancer. So for this demo, let's select instance here, and let's give the name of the target group, something like that. Okay, and let's keep everything as it is default. Go to here, and here we have running 3 instance. So let's select our this target. That could be multiple, which all instance you would like to specify to this target, you can specify it. Suppose you can create a multiple target. For app server you have like 4 instance, for API you have 4 instance, right? Then you can create a, like, for app server one target you can create, for API one target you can create, and then you can specify which target, which instance has to go. Okay guys, so for this demo, let's select all this instance and let's include those in this particular, so included, and let's create a target. Now our target group creation is successful. Now let's go to the next page, click on refresh, then we can able to see our target here. Let's select this one and let's keep default as it is, then create a load balancer. Our load balancer is creation successful. You can go to that here and you can see that now it is provisioned. Okay guys, meantime what we can do, we can go to our EC2 instance, what the status there is, that application is load or not, we can check that one. Let's go to their EC2 instance and coming to here, and let's select that app is loading or not. So open this. So our app server is came. What about other one? Let's go to that API. Yeah, API also loaded here. Let's go to the next DB server. Before hitting from load balancer, I am just cross checking all our service server is running properly or not. See, it is this one. So DB also is loading. Okay guys, so all 3 server is ready to use this from the load balancer. So let's go to that. We can close this all and let's go to our load balancer. It will take some time to fully provision guys, so don't worry. So just wait for some time. Let's pause this video for some time. I will resume back. Okay guys, let's see. I am back. Let's see. Yeah, now our load balancer is activated. So let's try to hit this. So let's open this load balancer. If you see here, right, what we can see here, let me show you that. If you see here details, all this thing it is there, and which all VPCs use and DNS. This is the one our entry point, like a endpoint, like kind of thing, where the end user will hit this particular endpoint. Then from here it will distribute the traffic to that based on the target selection. Okay guys, and if you see here, listener is there, and networking mapping also you can see which all subnet you are using here, and then security group also you can check, and then you can monitor also your load balancer. Okay guys, here you can monitor, and then and so on. Okay guys, so let's go here and let's try to hit this. Let's copy this URL and Let's open this, hit it. You see now app server is loaded. Okay guys, let's refresh this, and or else let's take one private windows here. Now API server is loaded, right? So two different thing is loading here. One is that, like, if you see here, like it is here app server. If you refresh here again, still app server. Now API server came here, and if you like, it will be dynamically, it will distribute the traffic, which one that target will decide. So we no need to worry about that. So let's replace this one. Now API. Let me open another private window. See what it is loading here. Server. Let's try to other windows. Now DB server load, right? So something like that. So we can distribute our traffic, and the message we are showing, like, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any video from our channel. This is the, like, it's kind of static application, web application I have deployed here. Okay guys, so like this we can see, and here API server also same kind of message, just I change here name. And if you see other private windows also, let me show you that. Here is the app server. So that's all. I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you feel this video is valuable to you guys, then I will request you guys, please subscribe our channel and share surrounding with your friend. That will really inspire to me, and that will really help to me. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Chalo, bye.